Alright, let me tell you about naming cells and formulas. A good way of making reference to cells and cell ranges and formulas is to give range names. For example, you can name the range A1 is to B2 as total. You can then write a formula such as equal to sum bracket and total bracket close. Students, let us share an important tip. Range names are not case sensitive. The first character must be either a letter or an underscore. The range name must not be the same as a cell address. To define name to a cell or a range of cells, follow the given steps. Select a cell or a range of cells. Choose Insert, then go to Name, then go to Define. The Define Name dialog box appears as shown in the figure. Assign a name for the selected range in the Name field and click on Add button. Okay students, note that you can also select the range by clicking on the Shrink button and define the name of the range in the Define Name box. The Insert Names Create command allows you to create range names for the top row, left column, bottom row and right column. For example, if we select top row option, all the rows present below the top row automatically become the part of the range. Okay students, let us take a quick view. To enter or modify a formula in a cell, you can also use F2 key after selecting the cell. Students, let us understand about cell reference of another spreadsheet. You can use the cell reference of one spreadsheet in another spreadsheet. This can be done in two ways, which are as follows. Using Copy-Paste option. Insert a new sheet by clicking on Add icon present adjacent to the Sheet tab. Now enter data in the Sheet 2 as shown in the figure. Click on the Sheet 1 tab. Now click on cell B11 where the sum function is used. Copy the formula using Ctrl+C. Select the Sheet 2 tab and click on the cell B11. Paste the formula using Ctrl+V. Students, let us know more. When a formula contains more than one operator in an expression, Calc follows the BEDMAS rule to evaluate the expression. Using sheet reference. It uses sheet number, dot operators and cell address. For example, sheet 1.D4. Let us try to use the sheet reference. Click on the cell C4 of sheet 2. Type B4 plus sheet 1.D4 to add the incentive amount of cell D4 of sheet 1 with salary of the cell B4 of sheet 2. Press the Enter key. You can calculate the total salary for other cells by dragging the mouse pointer to rest of the cells when pointer changes to a plus symbol. Alright, let me tell you how to rename a sheet tab. By default, Calc displays one sheet in a spreadsheet named as Sheet 1. But we can add as many sheets as we require. We can assign any name to these sheet tabs. Right-click on the Sheet 2 tab in the spreadsheet. A shortcut menu appears. Select the Rename Sheet option. Or double-click on the Sheet 2 tab. The Rename Sheet dialog box appears. Type KIPS and click on the OK button. Note that the name of the Sheet 2 has been changed to KIPS. Students, let us talk about changing color of a sheet tab. Right-click on the Sheet 2 tab and select the Tab Color option from the shortcut menu. The Tab Color dialog box appears. Select any color of your choice from the displayed list. Click OK and observe the change. Alright students, let us talk about functions. Functions are pre-designed formulas in Calc to perform both simple and complex calculations. Functions save time and eliminate the chance to write wrong formulas. They accept the arguments and return output. Arguments are input to functions which accept values as numbers or text, etc. The values are given within parentheses. Return values display the function output. Rules to enter a function. All calc functions must begin with an equal to sign. Function name must be a valid calc name. For example, sum, average. Function name must be followed by an opening and a closing parenthesis. Parentheses contain arguments within it. For example, equal to sum bracket in A1 is to A5 bracket close. Serial number, functions, purpose. Serial number 1. Sum, range, gives the sum of a range. Number 2. Average, range, finds the average of a range. Number 3. Odd number, returns the number rounded up to the nearest odd integer. Number 4. INT number, rounds a number to the nearest integer. Number 5. Product range, multiplies the values in a range of cells. Number 6. Round, number underscore digit, rounds a number to the specified digits. Number 7. EXP number, returns natural logarithm raised to the power of a number. Number 8. SQRT number, returns a square root. Number 9. Power, number, comma, power, returns the result of a number raised to some power. Number 10. Mod bracket in number, comma, divisor, returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. Using the average function. Click on the cell where you want to place the average of values. Let us say D6. Type equal to sign. Enter the function name average. Type bracket in, that is, the open parenthesis symbol. To calculate the average of values of the range B6 to C6, click on the cell B6 to define the starting cell of the range. The cell address B6 will appear within parentheses. Drag the mouse pointer to cell C6. The formula bar or the cell D6 will display equal to average bracket in B6 is to C6. Type the close parenthesis bracket close symbol. Press the enter key. The cell D6 will display the calculated result. Common functions. Max. It is used to find the largest value in the given range. Click on the cell F4 and type equal to max bracket in B4 is to E4 bracket close and press the enter key. The maximum value in the range B4 is to E4 will be displayed in the cell F4. Alright, let me share an important tip. Similarly, minimum finds the lowest value in the range and count will count the number of elements in a given range. Elements like words, numbers, etc. Today. It is used to display the current date. Type equals to capital letter today, brackets in the cell and press the enter key. It will display the current date in the selected cell. To display the values in number form. For day, day bracket in today, brackets bracket close. For month equal to month bracket in today, brackets bracket close. For year, year bracket in today, brackets bracket close. To display the values in text form. For day equals to text bracket in today, brackets, comma, double quote in DDDD, double quote close, bracket close. For month equals to text bracket in today, brackets, comma, double quote in MMMM, double quote close, bracket close. For year equals to text bracket in today, brackets, comma, double quote in YYYY, double quote close, bracket close. Now, This function displays current date and time. Apart from the functions given above, you can also apply the equals to day, bracket in now, brackets, bracket close, comma, equals to month, bracket in now, brackets, bracket close, comma, year, bracket in now, brackets, bracket close, functions to display the current day, month, and year respectively. Let us take a quick view. To check spellings in the spreadsheet, press F7 key on the keyboard. Errors. In LibreOffice Calc, if any data is entered incorrectly, then it displays an error message instead of the value and assists you in identifying and fixing the problem. Some of the common errors along with their possible reasons are listed below. The column is too narrow to display the contents of the cell. The solution to this problem is to increase the width of the column. This error occurs if the formula contains invalid data. An identifier could not be evaluated. For example, no valid reference, no valid column or row, label, wrong formula. This error occurs if the number is divided by 0. Error 509. This error occurs if operator is missing. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. It is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses. The cell address in the formula is known as cell reference. There are three types of cell references: relative, absolute and mixed. By default, Calc displays one sheet in a spreadsheet named as Sheet 1. Functions are pre-designed formulas in Calc to perform both simple and complex calculations. In LibreOffice Calc, if any data is entered incorrectly, then it displays an error message instead of value and assists you in identifying and fixing the problem.